So, when the king was not satisfied with the answers of wise men, he went to hermit in the jungle alone. There he saw that the hermit was digging the ground. Now, digging means to break the earth with a tool. Okay. The king asked his questions and got no answer. As the hermit was digging the ground, he was busy in his task. He didn't respond. Who didn't respond? Hermit. Then he took the spade from the hermit. When the king saw that hermit was digging the ground, he wanted to help the hermit. So he took the spade from the hermit and began to work in his place. After several hours, the king stopped digging the ground and he was ready to take leave from the hermit. But just then, hermit told that someone was running towards them. They saw suddenly a man was coming towards them. Let's see what happened next. The king saw a man, bearded man, running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach from which blood was oozing. As he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. He had a large wound in his stomach. Now the king saw a man running towards them and he was totally injured. Wounded means injured. His hands were pressed against his stomach from which blood was oozing. Oozing means flowing. So his hands were against his stomach from where the blood was flowing. And as he reached the king, he fainted. He got unconscious and fell to the ground. And what did they observe? He had a wound in his stomach. He had an injury in his stomach. So the king helped the king helped the injured man. He washed the wound and compressed it with his handkerchief. At last, the bleeding stopped. The man felt better and asked for water to drink. The king gave him fresh water. So, after what happened, the king helped the injured man. He washed his wound, compressed it with his handkerchief until the bleeding stopped. After that, the man felt better and he asked for a water. The king gave him fresh water. The sun had set by then. The king and the hermit carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The tired king also fell asleep. When he awoke, the bearded man asked to forgive him. After that, what happened when the hermit and king tried to help the injured man? They took him into the hut and laid him on the bed so that he can take rest. After that, the king also got tired and he also fell asleep. When they awake, the bearded man, the injured man, asked king to forgive him. Now suddenly the man is was asking for forgiveness, whom the king don't know. Actually, the king was meeting that man for the very first time and the man was asking for the forgiveness. So the king got confused why the man was asking for forgiveness. Let's see what happened next. The man was in fact the king's enemy. He had followed the king to take revenge on him. He had vowed to kill him. The king had once put his brother to death. The man had himself in a bush on the way to jungle. He came out of his hiding place. When the king did not return for long, he got wounded by the king's bodyguards. He would have died if the king had not dressed his wound. He felt grateful to the king who had saved his life. He promised to serve the king as a faithful servant. Now, the reason for forgiveness is clear to us now. Why the man was asking for forgiveness? Because he was actually there in the jungle to take revenge from the king of his brother's death. He wanted to kill the king, but what happened? King's bodyguard recognized him and they injured him. So, and what happened after that? But in return, the king helped the wounded man by giving him dressing, and he took care of him whole night. This made him feel guilty, and that's why he asked for his forgiveness. The king was happy that he had made peace with his enemy. He forgave the man and promised to give back his property. So I hope up till now the story is clear to you. The wounded man was there in jungle to kill the king because he was king's enemy. He wanted to kill the king because he wanted to take revenge of his brother's death. Okay, but when the king's bodyguard recognized him and they injured him, who helped the wounded man? Yes, the king helped him. The king helped him, and this made him feel guilty. And he asked for the king's forgiveness. And yes, the king forgave him and he promised to give back his property. And he did not only provided his property back to him, he also provided him some money and doctor's help. He also provided him doctors and servants to take good care of him. Let's see next what happened after that. Did the king got the answer of his three questions from the hermit or not? Let's see what happened after that. The king then went up to the hermit. He again asked for the answers to his three questions. The hermit explained him that by digging the beds for him, the king had escaped attack. So the most important time was when he was digging the beds. So the first answer to the question is that the most important thing is the moment you are doing the work. Now the king decided to help the hermit, right? The king decided to help the hermit in digging the ground, and because of that, he was saved. He was protected from his enemy. So, according to hermit, this was the most important time when he was digging the beds, when he was helping the hermit in digging the beds. The hermit himself was the most important person. Second question was to whom the king should consider the most important person in his life. So again coming to that particular moment, hermit was the most important person according to the king at that moment. So the answer of second question is again the person whom you are, it is the most who is the most important person in your life. So to do him good was the king's most important business. So the answer of third question is to do good for the person whom with you are. Is it clear? To do good with the person with whom we are. That is for the purpose we are here on the earth. So I hope the answer to all the three questions given by Hermit to the king is clear to you. So I am repeating again. The first question was, what was the right time to begin something? So according to Hermit, the most important time is now. Second question was, who was the most important person? According to the Hermit, the most important person is the person you are with at a particular moment. And the most important business is to do good to that person with whom you are. So I hope the chapter is clear to you. I am sharing you animated video of this chapter. After watching that video, the chapter will be more clear to you. And after watching the video, try to answer the questions on your own. Think about the answers on your own and then do it in your fair notebooks. Thank you.